Let's talk about angles in a triangle. Angles in a triangle, whatever type of triangle it is, it all sums up to 180 degrees, just like angles on a straight line. So we have three types of triangle based on the sides. We have the equilateral triangle, three equal sides. It also follows that all the angles inside this triangle is 60 degrees. They are all the same. We also have the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle have two equal sides. So side AB is the same as side AC. Now, it also follows that the angle opposite to those equal sides are also equal. So meaning to say, side AB, the opposite angle to that is the angle ACB. That's 50 degrees. Therefore, side AC, this one, the opposite angle to that is the angle ABC. They are both 50 degrees. So it follows that opposite angles to the equal sides are also equal. Now for the scaling triangle, the sides are not the same. There are no equal sides. It also follows that there's no equal angles for a scaling triangle. So following that, we now have to try some examples and find angles inside the triangle. First, we have this triangle, and we're looking for angle X. This triangle is an isosceles triangle, as you can see based on the two tick marks that we have right here. So with that, it follows that the opposite angles to these two equal sides are also equal. So this angle right here and this angle would now be equal as well. Following that, let's solve for X. So this one right here means it's 90 degrees. Earlier, we said that the angles inside the triangle sums up to 180 degrees. So we can now do 180 minus 90 degrees will give me 90 degrees. And to look for angle X, since I have two equal angles, it also means that I can divide 90 by 2 to get one angle, which is 45 degrees. Let's now try another example. Here I have a triangle and a straight line. This triangle also is an isosceles triangle. So I would have to find the angle here so that I can find angle X using my knowledge on angles on a straight line. So since this triangle at the bottom is also an isosceles triangle, I would know that this angle is opposite to this side. So meaning this angle also opposite to the side equal to the other side is also 64 degrees. Following that, I will be able to get the other angle inside the triangle by subtracting 180 minus 64 plus 64. And that would now give me 180 minus 128. And that is equal to 52 degrees. Now, since this is 52 degrees, I will now use my knowledge on a straight line, angles on a straight line, to figure out what X is. Angle X would now be 180 degrees minus 52, giving me 128 degrees. So that's it for angle X. Alright, let's try one more. This time, I'm still looking for angle X, and I can see that there are a lot of triangles within a triangle. But let's try to focus to find out which angles do I need to look for x. So looking at this, I can probably focus on this triangle first. Since I'm looking for x, this one, the easiest way I can think of is use this line right here. It's a straight line. And since it's a straight line, I would now need this angle so that I can look for x, since I know that this one is already 90 degrees. So we will now focus on this small triangle right here to find that purple angle. To do that, I would now subtract 180 minus 60 plus 90 degrees. 90 degrees because this one is a right angle. Okay, so that would now give me 180 minus 150, which is 30 degrees. Now that purple angle right there is 30 degrees. Now, I can use the straight line with 30, x, and 90 to solve for x. So we have angle x giving me 180 minus 90 plus 30, which is 120 degrees, and that would now give me 60 degrees. So that's it for angle x.